Hey, what's up, guys? This video is about record macro. It's a very cool function that is in Excel that can make your work real easy. Now, if you're an accountant or you work with a lot of data, a lot of information that needs to be sorted out so people can read it easily, this is a good video for you. So what you have here on your screen is an example of what you would learn to do after watching this video. This is, as you can see, very well presented set of information. Make it easy for people to read. Date is in one column, name and everything. Now, if you get a bunch of data that looks just like this, and in this other spreadsheet, they're all in one column. You scroll down and there's hundreds of names, information of different customers, for example. You want them to be sorted out nicely. Now, instead of, you could always copy and go down, paste it and go down a little bit and copy it and go here, that kind of thing, one by one. You don't want to be doing that the whole day. That sucks. You have to work smart. You don't need to work hard all the time. That's why we have Excel. So what you can do is you can go into developer. You can pull it up. If you don't have developer yet, you can go options, then you go to custom ribbon, click on developer and then press OK, and then it'll show up. Now on this side you will see record macro right here. This is the cool stuff. Now you want to use relative reference because you want Excel to follow everything that you're going to record. Okay. Now you put the cell on the first A1 where you want to start off recording. Then you press record. It'll prompt you to name this macro. So you can say clean data or whatever. You can put a shortcut, Control-Shift-P, for example, and then you can save it and store it in this workbook. And then now this part here, you have to be really careful. What I do is I use the arrows. You cannot go over the arrows, click too many arrows, or go the wrong. You have to follow a certain order in order for it to work. Otherwise, it'll crash. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to Control X here, then you go down to where you want to start putting your data, and you Control V, then you go down. Okay, you got to go down. Then you go sideways. Okay, stop right there. You can't go any further. Cut. Then you go up to G. Put it there. Go down 2. Go sideways. Okay, stop right there. X, Control X. Okay, now you're here. Control V. You can't go too high too. Alright. Okay, go. Be careful. Stop right there. Control X. You go up. Control V, go down. This is the last set of this one, of this row. Control X. Be really careful. And you're right here. Control V. Okay, now you're done. Now what you need to do is you're gonna go back to A1. Shift. You want to delete four rows. Okay, so you delete. Shift cells up. Okay. Okay, so like that. Then this is the last part. Very important. You gotta press one key down, one arrow down, and put it right there. Then you stop recording. Okay, stop recording. Now this is the cool part. Now you can use your shortcut. Okay, so you go Control-Shift-P. Okay, Control-Shift-P. Now what you're seeing right now is my Excel is not responding because I pressed it too many times. It really depends on the version of Excel that you have and also the type of computer that you have. This is not the best computer to do this, but it does work. See, you keep going, Control. If you go so one by one, it just goes. It just takes your data, boom, boom, puts it into rows. Just like this. Gotta let Excel breathe a little bit, or my computer probably needs to breathe more than Excel does, because there's just too many things going on right now. But there you go. As you can see, that is the macro, how you do the macro. So now you have your data lined up this way. You can, and then you can put in some function. You can use text to column with this row, and you can clean it up using different formulas. But the hard part is done using that macro, and basically you can see it like this. I used proper function and upper function for this state, just to sort those data out. But that is basically the hardest part, is to using that you can use the macro to do it. Okay, so that's my video. That's this video. If you like this video, give me the thumbs up. Subscribe to my page right over here. Click if you see a sign subscribe right there. Have a good one.